How are you? Today we're going to do another exercise from the breathing series. In today's exercise, we're also going to produce a sound while releasing the air. We've already done it with S, we've done it with X. So let's take a quick look at S first. There's no voiced sound coming from the larynx. Put your hand quickly on your larynx and do this. See? It doesn't vibrate, right? And with X, it doesn't vibrate either. It's just air coming out. Today we're going to do it with V. That one vibrates, right? A long V, so we'll need to control the airflow a bit more, because even more air will come out. Let's do it. We're going to inhale for 4 counts and release the V for 4 counts as well. We'll do a series of 3 repetitions for each release time, but I'll explain that better as we go. We'll start by breathing in for 4 counts. Remember, this breath does not lift the chest, okay? It's not like this. Not here, it's in the belly. You're going to fill your belly with air in a calm, relaxed way. Don't lift your rib cage, don't lift your shoulders. I don't want this. Okay, I want it relaxed. So I'm going to show you what we're going to use. We're going to use this little guy here, a metronome. Just listen. It's the one that will set the timing for our exercise. We'll inhale for 4 counts and release. For 4 counts with the V, and a lot of air comes out. So be careful with that. Let's go. This type of breathing, besides helping you a lot with breath support when singing, also helps calm you down if you deal with any kind of anxiety. It helps you feel that you're in control of your breathing, and therefore in control of your body. And that's a very good thing too. Let's do it. Inhale for 4 counts and release the V for 4 counts. Imagine it this way. It's like the strength you apply to a melody you're singing. If you release everything right at the beginning, you'll run out of air by the end of the phrase without enough breath to finish singing that line. That's why control is so important, okay? So that at the end of the phrase, you don't go out of tune, don't run out of breath, and don't have to cut a word in half just to breathe, which is awful. All right, now we're going to breathe in for 4 counts and release for 8 counts using V. Let's go. Do whatever feels comfortable for you, okay? I don't want anyone feeling unwell either. Before we move on to the last one, where we'll breathe in for 4 counts and release for 12, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel because it's packed with content here and you don't want to miss anything. Let's go. Now I really want to see it, all right? Now the truth comes out.
Respiro.
Tell me, was it easy? Was it hard? I want to know everything. And on top of that, I've just launched my combo pack, the Vocalizes pack, where you can do vocal exercises straight from your phone. Just press play and vocalize wherever you want. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.